Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, my friends. Good afternoon. I beg you once again, thank you for liking my video. You have been liking it, and I really appreciate it. May God bless you for anywhere where you dey. I take God beg you, once you see my video, don't ignore. Please try and like it for me and help me to share it, please. Thank you all. So today I want to talk small something about relationship. I wan talk about man, woman, men, women, boys and girls. E should be case maybe this my video not take am, I know say my next video I go complete everything. E goes like this, you know, at times wetin dey pain me, you see some boys now, they are dating. As dem dey date the girl, dem love the girl for whom, based on who the girl be. As in some of the boys, dem dey truly dey get natural love for their girlfriend. But the girl now, e no wan hear to carry e head down say make e understand say this boy wey I dey date, e love me. Dem no wan gree understand am. At times you go see some of the girls, dem go say, na so that one break my hand, na so John Enenemi break my heart, na so this one cut my mind, na so this one pieces my mind. Wey you no settle down observe whether the person wey you dey date love you or not. And you dey see some boys, not because say they even love the girl na im make dem dey date am. Dem dey date the girl because of say wetin dem wan see, wetin dem wan eat. E take him, see, man fit spend wetin he want just for him to get wetin he want from that girl. And if he get am, e don finish. Some girls dey wey be say they love their boyfriends. They love their boyfriends. They are ready to die with the boy. But the boy, he no care to know. The boy no care to know whether the girl love am or not. He go dey misuse the girl, dey misbehave. The girl go turn mugu. The girl go turn somebody wey be say he no dey get himself again. The boy no go know. You know say those kind people, if that girl today wey dey die for you, you miss that your opportunity, maybe na be even the right woman wey be say God keep for you as your wife. Because of your misbehavior, the girl can't go. You go marry another person wey no be your own. For this point, I pray to God Almighty. I pray for I pray for the fellow men. I pray for men, for you not to marry the woman wey not be your wife. Because if you marry a woman wey not be your wife, it dey difficult. And from the girls also, I also pray for you. I pray for the girls, including me. I pray may we not use our husband take do boyfriend. May we not use our boyfriend take do husband. You know say some girls dey, if you want truly know whether man like you, if you want know whether the boy wey you dey date like you, not be by giving him money, not be by buying him the highest marker in the world, not be by giving him million. What kind of a life are you planning with him by doing all those kind of a thing? Would that one make you to know if the man truly love you, if the boy truly love you, want to spend the rest of his life with you? Will you let him know that if he's having a respect for you? Or you know whether na because of those things wey you dey buy na make the boy love you? You know, keep your busybody for one place first. And again, not be say girl no dey buy a boyfriend something, not be wetin I talk. I no tell you say no buy something for your boyfriend. Buy something for your boyfriend wey be say truly na your boyfriend. You like this thing, you go market, you see am, you dey stroll dey come, you come see one thing wey be say you like, e go fit your boyfriend, buy am for am. This one no be the kind of things wey be say I dey talk. You know say some girls, they go just carry money take bribe man, use money to sweep am. Girl, lis ten to me. Even before you dey give that boy money, e dey eat, e dey wear cloth. As you say dey give her the money, the boy still dey feed, e dey wear cloth, e dey live. Even if before you start to dey date am, e dey wear cloth, e dey live fine. No be your money go make the boy fine. And at times even with this money wey be say dem dey spend, they will go use am take dey put ozeba, they go use am take put problem for the boy neck. It may be anything wey the boy no even fit love them because of this money wey they take dey cover the boy face. You no let them know whether the boy love or not. If the boy come by mistakenly say I no wan date you again, the boy come truly see truly heart the person wey you fit keep before, you go just say the boy don offend you upon all the money wey you spend. He no come marry you again, he don break your heart, he don help you pieces your heart. Na so let us sit for truth, let us see reality. If you keep to dey use money take dey bribe your man, how will you know if the man truly love you? If you dey buy the highest marker, are you telling the man to be serious for him life? You dey tell the man make him dey strong, make he be man, make he get encouragement. If you dey go dey carry 1 million, go dey steal, dey give the man, na be say you wan plan life with the man. My dear, you are not planning any life with that man, because anything wey make you leave that boy, you wan send that boy wetin you no supposed to send am. Yes, this is not the truly, this one will not be the truly love. Yes, it's normal, na normal thing for a girl, a woman to buy her boyfriend, her husband, something wey be say he like. Na normal thing which every human can do. But for this time around, na the way we come take dey do am, e come over. Even though say husband wey be say man marry wife put for house, man marry wife put for house, the woman normal housewife, e no fit comot except say maybe e get job wey e dey do, e dey work, e fit dey do all those, e fit dey help. Because of say this girl na you get money, na you come go dey buy the man, dey shower am with different type of gift wey you no fit buy go give your mama for house. Shower am different type of things wey be say even your mother no fit chop am for house. Why? Because say make you leave your wife come meet you, and you forget say you be woman. Anything wey you do to another woman, na so another woman go still do am to you. If you wan truly know say if man like you, dey with that man, build up a life with am, plan with am, arrange life with am, encouragement, not by bribing him with money. Is that one going to favor you? Go favor me? E no go favor you, no go favor the man. Not at all. And so boys, no matter, even the girl go, even maybe the girl even they do this thing now through their heart, the girl truly love them. It's a way you go kukuma tell the girl for the first time, say I don't love you, find your way, you go keep am. You go turn the girl go turn your indomie chopper. After you don't chop the indomie, you don't chop, you don't belly full. The chicken where you keep for one place, now it could be the normal woman now wey be say you want marry put for house. That be the real woman now where you get respect, where you want marry. And some women wey be saying that they call that they be their husband destiny killer. You go marry husband, you no know whether that your husband, how he take wake up in the morning, wetin he dey pass through, wetin he dey think. Even though say your husband sit down, they think, woman wey marry, you no go fit go meet her, ask her say, my husband, wetin dey happen today, wetin dey do you? Hope all is well. Even if you no wan try to talk to you, pet her, talk to her, sit her down, encourage her in time of trouble. Why una go be partner? Wetin make her marry you? And as for men, there are some men wey be say they get that deep heart. Even if they are dying in a problem, say that problem they kill them, they chop them because of the wicked heart wey be say they get, they can never share with their wife. The woman go wake up in the morning for bed, you go dey reason, wetin I do my husband? Wetin happen? Me and him be not quarrel before we sleep. Wetin dey happen? God abeg help me. God abeg na. The woman go dey kill herself for no reason. I know say if two companions wey be say that they work together, they are doing things together, if the man get problem, who is the first person for you to call? Call your wife. Tell her wetin be your problem. Discuss with her. At times that your wife, it might be the solution for wetin you be dey look for since 7 years back, and your solution dey with you for inside room. You carry go dey discuss with the girl wey be say e dey bribe you with money. Na that time you come know say your wife not fine, and the time wey you dey date am before you marry her, she fine, she dey make hair, she dey make, as in she go wear clothes, she go dey fine, go dey sexy. After you don enter your house, e no come be anything again wey you don turn her to another thing. Wey you dey date am, she dey wear catapult pants. When after you don't marry her now, wetin she dey wear? Breast spread as pant. If you comot breast spread, if you wash and dry am, you go see breast spread wey you go put for outside as pant. But when he dey marry you, he dey wear catapult. The brazier wey he dey wear, or that wear wey he dey wear, he dey wear spaghetti own. But the time wey he don marry you, don dey wear pillowcase as brazier. When we want to face reality, men face reality. Know the woman wey love you. Know your woman wey be say he love you. Yes, you have to try to know. Woman go, at times you go see some men wey they wan marry their women, if they wan marry their wife, you see the man go dey caring, he go dey lovely, he go dey with his wife for house. After he don marry the woman come house now, he go don turn. Wetin change your mind? Wetin change your mind? Na that time you go come know say the woman no fine, and you go even go work come to even give the woman money take cook, na problem. Another man wey dey maintain him own, wey him own dey wear spaghetti, dey wear small small knicker, dey dress fine. Na all that one you go come dey call the woman, dey copy am. You no see mama osa as e be. Wetin make you no maintain am? At times you go even see say some poor people gone sef, they even men and women, make una change for once. Most especially the girls. Some go sit down, they go say na so dem na so if you go France, na so some girls go dey buy 700 markers clothes, they give their boyfriend. They go buy 1,000 markers, give their boyfriend. For year they no dey do. They buy and give you, you sit down put. When you dey go that place, you dey go say make woman go dey na woman that wan be your heaven and earth. You no get family. You no get family. As for the girls, una sit down, una truly loan the boy wey love una. Una go sit down, una go calculate. Let's leave money apart. I never say don't buy anything for your boyfriend. Anything wey be say you go market, you see, you like am, you know say this thing go fit your man. Buy am. Na your man. Buy am. But no be the one wey be say you go dey use money take dey bribe am. How will you know if he love you? Even before you start to dey give the man money, dey eat. Sorry, before you start to dey date the boy, he dey eat, he dey clothe, he dey pay house rent. When you don dey date am finish, he dey eat, he dey pay house rent. Even when you na don even, I no know as I wan take start am, you meet her dey live well, you think say na because of your money? Can money buy a full heart of a man? As for the men, you go even see some girls wey be say they go do all these things for una with their whole heart. No be say they even dey pretend now they buy those things just for them to buy your heart. Una go dey blind, una no go see am. But na those ones wey they go dey stress una, now una want. And you go even see some wey be say they no even get money to buy for una. They truly love una, truly heart. They are ready to plan life with una. Una no dey see there as anything. Now they be the shade. E compulsory say if gal get money, tell it I go get. If you dey date your girlfriend, or your woman wey you marry, no copy anybody with another man house. Repair your own home. Everything na packaging. Not to say you no see that your friend, you know say as they do this one for your boyfriend, you know how you take dey get am. You no see that man, that woman, you know say as you take dey do home, you know how you take dey get am. Your wife now wey be say they live with you gently, they use godly heart, they follow you, you know they do rubbish, you know they you okay. At times some men, they see they use their hand till they cause problem, put for their own matrimonial home. They go use their hand cause problem for their own matrimonial home. I stop for here today. In my next video, I have a lot to say. I beg you, if you see my video, try and like my video for me and help me share to friend. Thank you all. God bless you for listening to me. God bless you. Remain blessed. Ciao.